Well, good morning. We slept back there last night. It was lovely. The entrance to this Forest Service road is right there. Basically, we were tired, and so we got into where camping was legal and plopped. But it was a great night. I slept really well. I had like 11 hours of sleep. We are starting a little bit later today. You know, the sun's actually up because we are getting picked up by a trail angel named Mikey at the end of the day today. In Pelletier is where we're trying to go today. And he's going to pick us up and take us to his place in Swansboro because it's closer to Pelletier than anywhere else on the trail. So we were trying to make it easy for him to get us in and out. And also thanks in advance to Mikey because camping from here on out is really like there aren't really any options because you're walking through towns. So we're actually staying with trail angels from tonight through the end of our trip. So pretty excited for that. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. Basically not a cloud in the sky, and hopefully it doesn't get too hot, but we'll see. We've got 13.7 today. Shouldn't be too difficult. We can pretty much take our time, so it's gonna be a good day. So this Forest Service where we're walking has turned into all sand. Like, it is literally 100% a sand bed. So pro tip, if you don't feel like sliding around on said sand bed, anywhere you can see green stuff in your path, walk on that because it's not much, but it has some roots that are holding the sand in place. And trust me, it's like 10 times sturdier than just sliding around the loose sand. Now you know. Well, that gate's a wrap on Forest Road 154. It's really nice Forest Road, honestly. It wasn't that overgrown, and even though it was a little sandy, it was still pretty good to walk on, so not a bad section, especially for it being a quote-unquote road walk. I literally cannot imagine doing this trail without like far out as a GPS map, because this time we just passed, it was the current route for the MST. It had an arrow pointing to the left where there's like kind of a track through the woods, but that's not actually where you turn. You have to go up to the next street. So yeah, I've been using a lot of the GPS navigation element of far out this time and using the top-down map quite a bit just so we can figure out where we're going, because it's not intuitive and the trails are not well marked. It's definitely an adventure.
Found this little guy just chilling in the road.
We'll call him Jesus. He's really pretty. The street is like Horse City. I've seen so many of them. So we've been walking on this dirt road for a while now, and we're passing a lot of like swampland area. And you know it's been dry here when I don't even see any water in the swamp. We just took advantage of a little shade to sunscreen and snack, and now we're quite literally back on the road again. We had to pause to put the umbrella up. I've officially converted Krista's cowboy to the umbrella gang. How you liking it so far?
I tell you what, it's really good. It takes a little bit of the edge off the sun, that's for sure.
I am also carrying my umbrella, by the way, which I told you guys about in my Pack in the Pack video. And I have yet to use it because honestly, this sunshirt has just been such a jam that I don't feel like I need it. So here we are. There goes the mama turkey. And the little ones are somewhere in this ditch over here. We've been kind of loosely having a foot race with them. Oh, there they go. There's 1, 2. I thought I saw, yep, 3. Maybe one more. 4. Go, little turkeys, go. 5. This little guy is huge. Look at him. Wow. So one not so great thing about this trail is that there are biting flies on it. I don't know if they're mayflies or not, but these flies, I kid you not, when you get bitten by one of them, it feels like you just got stung by a bee. It hurts like crap. And DEET doesn't deter them. I'm DEETed to the max. Just getting eaten by flies. It's fine. Well, something exciting has happened. After spending literally almost the entire day on Millis Road, walking basically all of Millis Road, we're finally about to turn onto a different road. So good. There are a lot of horse ranches in this area. There's horses out in that field, and that we're about to go past is apparently a racetrack. And there's the racetrack. Lots of carved bear statues. Well, we've reached our stop for the day, and it's not even 1 o'clock yet. Yay, 14 done. Well, 13-7, but you know. As you guys can probably tell, I scored ice cream. So as you can probably tell, we're hardcore loitering in the little bit of sunshine left, or a little bit of shade left in front of this convenience store while we're waiting for Trail Angel Mikey to come and pick us up. So Mikey D just picked us up, took us to his place in Swansboro. Got my tent set up in his yard. He's got water out for us and a place to charge our stuff. And he has been just the kindest and most accommodating. I'm so grateful for a place to stay tonight, and we should be able to get back out on trail early tomorrow. I might go in and explore Swansboro in a little bit because it looks like a pretty quaint town. And you know, he mentioned an ice cream shop, but this is absolutely just such incredible, phenomenal magic. And thank you so much, Mikey, for doing this for us. You were just the definition of a trail angel. Mikey just came out and offered to do our laundry. Thank God. We smell so bad. We were so disgusting. I'm so happy. I just took a garden hose bath and it felt so good, and I'm about to stick my awful hat hair that's covered in DEET and sunscreen and dust under the hose, and I'm so excited for it. Mikey offered me watermelon, and it is the most delicious of all time. Well, since I apparently haven't done enough miles today, I'm walking into downtown Swansboro to explore because we finished with basically half a day left of daylight, and it's a beautiful day, and may as well enjoy the area that I'm hiking in right now. So I'm pretty excited to see what's down there. I scored some town food, shrimp tacos, and there's a family of ducks sitting over there. So I just got some super yummy shrimp tacos at Boro in downtown Swansboro, and it was delicious. My belly is full and I am happy, so I'm going to walk back to Mikey's place and just enjoy putting my feet up for a little bit. Well, I ended up walking around downtown Swansboro and then going over to the grocery store to pick up some wipes, like body wipes and hand sanitizer. So I added about 2 extra miles to the day, so I did a little over 17 today, and now I'm getting ready to put my feet up and rest. Back at Home Sweet Tent for the night, and this is our view from Mikey's backyard. It's absolutely incredible. I retreated to Home Sweet Tent because I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes sitting outside. But it was a really great day, and I was able to get my charging brick recharged. I got great town food in me, so I'm feeling good. Mikey's gonna be able to get us on trail early tomorrow morning, which means we'll be able to beat some of the heat for the 13.6 we have tomorrow into Stella. And honestly, it was such a nice day. Like, it was such a good time. It only got up to 92, which is great, and then actually dropped down a little bit in the afternoon. It was only about 84, so that was a huge plus. And Mikey was able to get us filled up on water, so I'm ready to go for tomorrow. I'm gonna be carrying about 4 liters tomorrow for our hike. I'm about to roll out because my feet are sore from all of that walking. But otherwise, it was a really great night. Again, thanks so much to Mikey just opening his yard to us and being able to accommodate us last minute. So much generosity. But yeah, I'm gonna get some rest and hopefully not get any more mosquito bites. Good night, everyone.